Hello and welcome to Sodexis. I will be showing you how to set a product as both manufacture and make to order and its use case. So within the product, and in this instance I'm using a desk combination, you go into the inventory tab and you're going to check off both replenish on order MTO and manufacture. In conjunction, a manufactured product will need a bill of materials in order to be manufactured, and you can see here the three different items within the desk combination. And what this does is when you create a sales order for the product and the sales order is confirmed, it's always going to make a new manufacturing order for the product despite having a quantity on hand. And what this does is it creates a scenario where this product is manufactured specifically for this customer. And any items that are available at the time the sales orders push through will be allocated to this customer. And then you can see here, if we were to finish this and deliver it to this particular customer, we can go and see that the quantity on hand hasn't changed. So generally these are types of products that you don't always have stock of. It's something that's always going to be manufactured when the item is sold to somebody. If the product is a manufactured product where you want to make as many as possible to have available as a fully completed product, then using this route probably wouldn't be the best case scenario for your company. However, if you are manufacturing things per order and want to keep a nice tight pipeline of first in, first out, depending on what customer ordered first, then using the replenish make to order route will help align all of that from sales to manufacturing to delivery. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.